doing a quick sound check, making sure everything's looking good. And we'll be getting started with this 3D market commentary today. Just make sure that's good. Alrighty, there we are. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody, wherever you may be. My name is Bojan Petreski, go by Bo, easiest to remember. We'll be doing the 3D market commentary today on July 21st, 2021, on our channel, TRADDICTIV with Trade with UFOs. Please read the disclaimer for your information, for your use, for your protection, and we'll be getting started in just a second. All right. Just wanted to go over, we are looking at a 3D market approach where we go over the climate, buy and sell UFOs, and market volatility. Please definitely read into those. The AutoUFOs are the ones that we provide as part of our proprietary software package. Without much further delay, let's go ahead and take a look at the various markets for today. As you may have seen, that this is the S&P 500 right here. We have currently a down climate. It is actually the third day down out of typically three. And interestingly enough, we're actually touching into a UFO at 43.3250 to 43.8450, which is our sell UFO. Our buy UFO down below at 41.23 to 40.5550. As you see, the market is bouncing back. However, it has reacted a little bit off of touching this UFO up here. According to the VIX, we're still in elevated volatility territory, about 21%. If you are looking for some education, some coursework, future stocks, Forex, we definitely have it. It's definitely recommended that you do get some education prior to jumping into the markets with live money or even with sim money, just because time is precious, right? And to improve on those, though, something that we offer that I believe most places don't is the backtesting trading plans and trading psychology courses that we offer. Please use this link here to check them out. 3-month complimentary access to AutoUFOs and AutoClimate makes any one of these courses worth the money, at least in my opinion. Crude oil, still looking at a down climate. It's the 5th day down out of typically 7, as you see here. 5th day down out of typically 7, although we are looking at a very bullish candle for the day. The sell UFO up above here is 70.16 to 72.04. Down below 60.77 to 58.73. Still elevated volatility according to the VIX. Now, if you want to use the software that we use here, which is the AutoUFOs and the AutoClimate down below, the proprietary software we have, it is available on TradingView, TradeStation, and MetaTrader. We do offer monthly or yearly memberships. Please click this link here to find out more about that information. Let's go ahead and take a look at gold next. So gold is it's actually an unconfirmed climate as of today, interestingly enough, even though we had, it did pull into this UFO here, the one within the bigger one here. So I'm just to make it in different colors. Okay, the reason we know that is because the circle is over here and this one is up there as well. Okay, so this one envelops it because of this substantial drop here. But again, it is unconfirmed as of today, which will most likely get confirmed as it is a significant push down. 1866 even to 18404 as we showed here, because it is an enveloping UFO. 60.52.8 to 16.24.4 down below is the buy UFO. According to GVZ, this is probably closer to 17% today, mainly because it is a strong down move at the open. All right, now if you do need coaching and support, some one-on-one with any one of the instructors, we do have that. You can sign up for that all advanced asset coaching using this link here. We do offer monthly, yearly, or all-inclusive memberships, so definitely click this link here to find out more. Some of these would be, I would say, definitely worth the while and probably more affordable than you might think. All right. Looking at the dollar next, the dollar it keeps on chugging up, even though it's currently in a sell UFO. As you see, it has 1, 2, and then a third touch here. There's a good chance that after today, this UFO may disappear. It is currently in an up climate, the 6th day out of typically 5, so it's pushing at its Sensible point as of today. That sell UFOs at 93,005 to 93,470, 92,42, 92,075 is the buy UFO. According to EVZ, we're still looking at about 6% volatility. Now, if you don't want to read this overview, if you just want to follow it here with us, my colleague Becky and I do it every day here on YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, LinkedIn. I mean, any one of your preferred social media channels, there's a good chance that we're broadcasting there. You can click this link to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can look at previous commentaries, previous sessions, and so on. Last but certainly not least is Bitcoin. So Bitcoin has had quite the pop up overnight. It did close below that 30,000 critical point, but it has since then pulled back up. Still a down climate, the ninth day out of typically to be determined. Mainly because we just need more data on Bitcoin to form up a typical stat. Okay, as far as sell UFOs, 32. Actually, this one it's the one right here, 31,7025 to 33,185. That's this UFO right there. The buy UFO down below at 27,782 to 22,910. According to the BVIN, we're still looking excessively volatile on Bitcoin. All right, now if you're interested and have some questions, you can schedule a clarification call with a live human being that's going to go over these courses or questions that you may have, or things about the app or the coaching or just the all-inclusive membership. Please follow this link here to get more information about that. All right, and as we've said yesterday, there are some news coming out today, a couple of holidays happening here. And of course, we did forget to mention that Eid was also these past couple of days. So happy Eid to everybody that celebrates it. ECB interest rate decisions are coming up tomorrow. And then, of course, a couple of PMIs coming out on Friday. Alrighty, folks. Thank you very much for joining me on this, short but sweet session with the 3D market commentary. And stay tuned for the upcoming event.